Hello everyone. This is just a little video of what to do during week one. Now this is your first week in the course. This of course is C++ programming. Uh, First things first, what I would like you to do is obviously you're going to need to have the getting Ranger ready access code. That should be a module on your courses over here on your dashboard. Once you complete that, they give you a code, you plug it in here, and everything here should be open once you do that. Once you can do that, of course I have a little walkthrough for the syllabus, my schedule for what I'm doing in class at any given time over at the Soto Center campus, what classroom I'm in, my email address, my office phone number, all that's listed here. And of course I have a little introduction into Canvas itself, which is right here. So you'd want to kind of glance at that so you can see how assignments and all that stuff work. There is an installer for my C++, your program that you're going to be using to write all your programs. This is going to be Visual Studios. Now this is just for PC here. Mac, there are probably some other options you can use, and if you need some help with that, I can look around for that. I believe in maybe the introduction to Canvas, I talk a little bit about that. But that is specifically just the PC version there, but if you need other help, you can contact me with that. There's an introduction quiz for you to go through, and that I have a little video there for you to walk through before you do that, and then you take that quiz. And then there's a little review as to why I'm having you take that quiz. And then last but not least, there is a little introduction here. And for that, I have a little introduction of myself. And I just want you to introduce yourself to everyone else in the class as well. And that is the gist of week one. There's quite a lot listed here, but most of it is just a short video or two. So I do want you to go through those. And there's those two assignments here, essentially, for this week. The next big thing to get set up is to get the IDE or the Visual Studios or something similar that can run C++ on your computer installed so you can actually do the work. If you do not have a program that can work, that can write the code, you're not going to be able to do this class. So those are the big points of what to do this week. I should have one of these every week, kind of giving you an overview of what you're going to have to do during the week. If there's any issues or anything I need to point out, then I'll point to it here. If you have any questions, please let me know.